Unlike the currency market, the oil one began to show some trading activity. Oil prices dropped markedly. Experts attribute this fall exclusively to the fact that the market is excessively overbought. However, it is too early to talk about any serious change in investor sentiment. Apparently, it is just a technical rebound, and the oil market continues to grow on hopes for a quick recovery in oil demand. Moreover, only significant macroeconomic statistics can somehow affect market sentiment. Such important reports will be published at the end of this week. Meanwhile, let's consider the situation with oil and the Russian ruble. Yesterday, Brent crude met resistance at the level of $76.50 and then entered a downward correction. The quotes were down by more than 3.5%. If the correction continues, Brent's trading range is expected to shift to $72.50–$73 per barrel due to several factors. Firstly, the OPEC Plus meeting is scheduled for July 1st. The alliance may decide on a possible increase in crude production. At the same time, concerns about oil demand amid the spread of a new strain of the coronavirus remain. As for WTI crude, the situation is similar. The US benchmark is currently trading at $72.30 per barrel. Ahead of the OPEC Plus meeting to be held on Thursday, the quotes are likely to trade between the levels of $72 and $72.50 per barrel. The dollar-ruble pair is still moving within the sideways channel of 72–72.50. The quotes have been trading in such a way for more than 48 hours. Therefore, the best trading tactic in this case is the method of breaking through one of the borders of the range. Then, experts recommend focusing on the pair's outgoing momentum. The euro-ruble pair is recovering from its recent correction from June 18 to June 22. Now, in order for the price to resume its bearish movement, it needs to fix below 85.75. Otherwise, the price may rebound from the pivot point, experts note. In the meantime, the currency pair is trading at the level of 86.20. The ruble, like many other currencies, remains stable. Apparently, the market has entered a period of stagnation, and this is largely due to the lack of any important fundamental factors. Today's macroeconomic calendar is also bereft of any significant releases which could affect market sentiment. Thus, the ruble will most likely continue to trade near the current values, and volatility will remain extremely low. The situation will hardly change earlier than tomorrow. And that is all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.